My favorite all-round bird has got to be the blue jay. And we're going to feed them. We're going to give them something they like. I don't know where he went, but he's out there somewhere. Past their prime Boston baked beans, which is candy-coated peanuts, a Black & Decker food processor, and some past their prime corn chips. I'm making bird feed. There's the corn chips. There's the Boston baked beans, candy. Now I'm going to go feed them to the birds. So my blue jays and my cardinals and even the sparrows can have a good time eating those peanuts and corn chips. I'll probably feed a mouse or two and probably some possums. Oh, what the heck.